Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our Business Building Roadshow, and today we are talking about the practicalities of making changes to businesses. Please feel free to enjoy the other videos and to subscribe. To bring change, we need to change the behaviors of the people in the organization. Because if we have the right behaviors, we can achieve the required results. The example is the Olympic athlete who trains every day and eats the special food so that they can win the Olympic medal. They change their behaviors to a rigorous training regime. And this is what we're going to explore further in building the capacity and capability of the people in the business so that the business can undergo the required transformation. Behaviors occur whether they're managed or not. If we do nothing, we can instill the wrong behaviors. If we do nothing, then behaviors may be fine. But if we proactively manage the environment, we can instill the right behaviors. If we instill the right behaviors, we can exceed the outcomes that we are looking for. To get the right outcomes, we need to change the environment. We change the environment to get the behaviors. So as we see in the diagram here, what we want is an outcome. This is maybe the capacity capability building to undergo knowledge worker transformation. It may be building the emergent behavior that we've talked about. It may be a simple performance metric. If we have the capacity and the capability to do it, we can achieve the outcome. If people have the right ethics and we give them the right environment, a supportive, nurturing and rewarding environment, then there's a better chance of us achieving the required outcome. Where people are empowered to do their role, where they have a sense of ownership, they have greater pride in who they are and what they do, the more productive they tend to become. Where we put in the right rewards and incentives, and where we enable the required actions like taking ownership at source, people can deliver and we can get the outcomes that we seek. The issue is how we change the behaviors. The behaviors are there whether you elect to manage them or not. It's a matter of managers and leadership deciding to set the example, treat others as they would wish to be treated, to instill the right behaviors, do the required skilling and training, instill the right behaviors, and we get or we exceed the outcomes. We're going to have a discussion in the room now around this diagram. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.